my dear friends, in a program on management of life, which we have just started, we will give you some recipes, some tips, some points so that you can manage your life better. In this program, the management of life, today, I am going to give you 3 C's, which are very, very important to make your life well managed, productive, growing and ever evolving. Dear friends, आपको ये मालूम है कि दुनिया, ये पूरा संसार, ये हमेशा एक्सपेंड हो रहा है, फैल रहा है, इवॉल्व होता रहता है, ग्रो करता रहता है और इसमें जो मेन चीज रहती है वो है चेंज. सो परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. दिस वर्ल्ड इज एवर चेंजिंग, एवर ग्रोइंग, ever evolving. So the first C that we need to grapple with is C for change. Change in terms of technologies. अगर आप Facebook, Microsoft और इलॉन मस्क की SpaceX इन कंपनीज की बात करेंगे, ये लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं. जो कल था वो आज नहीं है और जो आज है वो कल नहीं होगा. Therefore, we human beings should be ready to take on the first C, that is change. And change is always for the good. Change in our academics, in our relations, in our society, in technology. We have evolved from wireless to smartphones today. Therefore, we should be tech savvy. We should adopt technology as fast as it comes to us. Because today's world, it is all dependent on technology. Whether you talk about space explorations, you talk about genetic engineering, you talk about your social media revolution or the smartphone revolution, it's all about change. So, dear friends, change management is the first C that I would like to give to you, and be ready to accept the change, to change with the change, to evolve through the change, as Charles Darwin, the famous scientist who wrote the book The Origin of Species, in which he said, in case you have to survive, you need to change. Therefore, dear friends, be change oriented and imbibe in skills, thinking, techniques and strategies to manage change, to manage life. अगर आपको जिंदगी को मैनेज करना है तो परिवर्तन को मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. जो जो चीजें नई हैं उनके साथ आप अपने आप को कैसे ढाल पाएंगे, ये आज का संदेश है. सेकंड सी इज कंपटीशन. दिस वर्ल्ड इज अबाउट कंपटीशन. आज 100 मीटर की रेस हो, हाई जंप हो, कोरोना वायरस हो, चांद पे जाने की बात हो, मार्स पे जाने की बात हो, दिस अ कंपटीशन अमंगस्ट कंट्रीज, अमंगस्ट नेशंस, amongst states, villages, people, persons. Everybody is trying to race fast so as to beat the competition. अगर आप मूवीज की बात करें, कंपटीशन वहां भी है, प्रतिस्पर्धा. इसलिए आप चेंज को एक्सेप्ट करें, कंपटीशन को एक्सेप्ट करें. सो द सेकंड सी फॉर यू इज सी फॉर कंपटीशन. यू नीड टू compete in order to survive. You need to compete, or you will be, put aside from the race. Therefore, run your own race and compete and emerge victorious. आप किस भी क्षेत्र में हैं, आप साहित्य के क्षेत्र में हैं, विज्ञान के, राजनीति के, उद्योग के, आर्थिक जगत के, you need to compete. Accept competition as the second C. And the third C is challenge. Dear friends, challenge, third C, it's beautiful word challenge, चुनौती. बच्चा जब से पैदा होता है आगे तक बिना चैलेंजेस के, बिना चुनौतियों के जीवन चलता नहीं है. अगर एक तितली को भी अपने प्यूपा से बाहर निकलना है, so it has to struggle, it has to battle out, it has to face the challenges, and only then it can fly high in the sky. Therefore, friends, third C is challenge. Therefore, 3 C's. First is change, second competition, third challenge. First C is change. परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है, एक्सेप्ट करें और इससे मुकाबला करें और अपने आप को परिवर्तन करते हुए परिवर्तन के साथ ढालें, you will survive in the human market. The second says competition. Be ready to face the competition anywhere, in any field, with anyone, with anybody. और अगर आप कंपटीशन की भावना, प्रतिस्पर्धा की भावना रहती है, you can emerge victorious. Therefore, be ready to compete, acquire skills, acquire knowledge, information, technique, so that you could compete with your competitors. There's a second C. Third C is challenges. Accept the challenge. You need to move forward in life. For that, challenges will come. चुनौतियां आपको कदम कदम पे आएंगी, चुनौतियां आपको पग पग पर आएंगी, लेकिन चुनौतियों का आपको सामना करना पड़ेगा. Therefore, my dear friends, in today's the management of life tips, tools and techniques, 3 C's are important. Change with the change, compete to beat competition, and accept the challenge to ward off the challenge. That's for today. Thank you so much. Great viewing to you, my dear friends.